What's going on, crypto sports fans? Clay Albright here. I spoke with Douglas Horn with Telos this last week. And, you know, Brian and I had an interview with him, and he had commented in that interview that he had overheard that Thomas Cox made the comment, we may have to fork EOS if we don't fix this BP problem we got. Or if we get one more dummy BP, we might have to fork the system. And hey, honestly, neither Douglas nor myself know if that was actually said or not, but it did spark the thought. You know, here we have this platform, EOS, which is, by all accounts, succeeding fantastically, you know, and it's, as far as the technology goes, I mean, no one's complaining about how it sucks, right? No one's complaining about how slow it is, or how many times it's been backed up, right? I mean, nobody is complaining. The only things that we're talking about are governance structures, you know, which is the block producers and all the governance type issues. Well, you know, EOS has a few block producers that are up there that shouldn't be there, you know, and they're essentially, somebody has voted for another dummy block producers so they could get more payment. And that's a problem. And I have no doubt that they are working on a solution. And technically speaking, a fork could do it. But it would be totally different than any other fork, because it wouldn't be it's not because we have a difference of opinion in the technology. The technology wouldn't change at all. We're not going to make it faster, right? We're not going to make it do more transactions per second, but we might be able to fork the same technology and throw a different governance structure around it, or constitution that states, say, you know, somehow try to eliminate the ability for a quote-unquote whale to self-elect and potentially even self-distribute some of the worker proposal funds by being able to vote. This is all part of the game, man. I mean, the technology, bammo! Good job, Block One. The technology is the primo. It's the governance structure we're working on. And there's going to be a few different versions, guys. Telos is one version. And we are actually meeting next Tuesday, my team, Brian and David and I, to set up a Telos BP so that we can become part of that network, which I believe is a fantastic idea. A couple of their ideas already are related to the governance side of things, by trying to eliminate whales and stuff. I mean, make no mistake about it, we are, by all means, moving forward, trying to become that EOS paid block producer. So that hadn't changed a single bit, but we think that adding Telos to our resume would help us, especially when it comes to the compliance issues, staying in compliance. So anyway, just want to touch. I want each one of you to go to my website at EOS-USA.org, O-R-G, and I want you to go there every single day and look at the front page. That's it. The articles we put out about EOS, we collect them from all over the internet. That's a great place to go if you want to stay up to date with what's going on with EOS. And we are constantly adding new sources. So if you know of a source of EOS information that we can add to our list, by all means. But the front page of our website is just one page. Put new articles on top, new articles on top, new articles on top. So flip over there, see which articles you've already read, look at the new ones, pop on there and do it, you know, once or twice a week, or daily if you can. It's a whole lot easier to do it that way than it is to just dive in once a month and try to assimilate everything at once. But so check out our website, EOS-USA.org. We'll see you soon.